Ranjita Kaur, Assistant Professor, Department of Geology, Royal Global University, welcome you all to the fourth day of the Students Orientation Program for undergraduate courses. We have with us today our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor S.P. Singh, Chairperson Academics, Professor Alak Kumar Buragohai, the Registrar, respected Ms. Angira Mimani, deans of different schools, senior professors, esteemed colleagues, and my student friends. Dear students, as you step into this new phase of your life, which comprises a world filled with decent prospects along with cutthroat competitions, this ongoing orientation program is certainly helping you to gear up yourselves for this new beginning. During the course of today's session, we will be privileged to listen to an eminent personality and a well-known TEDx speaker who will enlighten us on the theme Environment, Music and Mind. Today's topic is essentially significant as the music of the natural world provides the foundation for crucial aspects of our human evolution, making our connections with both music and nature innate and inseparable. May I now request our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Sir Professor S.P. Singh, to deliver his opening remarks for the session. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, Dr. Ranjita Rai. I think it must be your seventh or eighth day in the institution. Sujay, for your information, we started geology this year. We launched geology, and fortunately, we got good admissions in the undergraduate program. And Ranjita has joined us as the first teacher of geology, for say other than me, in Royal Global University.
Yes.
So we both are geologists. So this is our, I think, fortune and that I could finally start geology after 3 years of the launch of the university. And I think this department will grow the way Department of Geology, Lucknow University, from where we did our education, this will also grow. So to begin with, Sujay, welcome to the virtual platform of Royal Global University. This is our fourth day of orientation program, where students, almost 900 of them, they have taken admission in the undergraduate program. They are expected to attend today's webinar. They are quickly joining in, and maybe some of them are watching on the Facebook, depending upon the connectivity issues. So this is a webinar, and I think we are very, very fortunate, especially students, teachers, and fraternity out here, that we have amongst us one of my very, very dear, I will not use the word junior, one of the very, very dear friend of mine. We have done so many things together, though he was, I think, 3 years junior to me. But then it was not like that I ever thought of that, Sujoy. And I remember our old good days, many other things. I think Sujoy would love to touch upon those points. But once we talk about environment, where he's associated with as of now, as a conservator of forest in Uttar Pradesh, a place called Gonda, very beautiful place. And we have lots and lots of forest area in that area because it is Tarai area of India, adjacent to Nepal. So we have Balrampur, Gonda, and all that area, and that we have lots and lots of forest land in that area. And I think Sujoy is doing a good job there. So he is very close to environment since the time he has joined Indian Forest Services. And then I know from the very beginning, before joining Indian Forest Services, Sujoy was very keen for the passion of him is called music. So music I have seen with him throughout his journey, and I always feel great and proud about him. That person who is good in many faceted, especially music, can also become an Indian Forest Service officer and can serve the nation, can serve the environment, can serve the Vasundhara in a manner which is actually is required. So I'm very fortunate. I feel my University of Lucknow has given many good people in forest services. I know many of them. Sujoy is one of them, and Indian Administrative Services. So my Department of Geology, I again appreciate our teachers who has given us opportunity to become what we are today. And I reiterate, including Sujoy, because we got such a beautiful department and beautiful teachers. And whatever we are today, I want to say on record that whatever I could do in my life, it is only because of the Department of Geology and University of Lucknow, and my teachers in Colvin Talukdars College. So this is what we are today. So environment, music and mind, I think nobody better can explain to you, dear children, because many of you I know are very keen for music. Many of you are very keen for working for environment, and everybody is concerned about sustainable development and environmental impact of humans. And we are facing this pandemic time, Corona time, because we have exploited our environment to an extent that we are unable to cope up with the things around, and probably nature is taking its own time to recover, to rejuvenate. These are the words of geology, rejuvenation. So these are the things which actually are around us. And in Royal Global University, we are very keen. We have very beautiful environment. Northeast is very, very blessed, Sujoy, with respect to natural resources. You visited Royal Global University last year, if I recall right. So you know this beautiful place, and we have very talented, energetic, bright faculty members and students. And I think you will definitely take them to a right direction, along with studying how can they get success. In our CBCS system, basket courses, a student of engineering can also pursue music. A student of BCom can also pursue dance. This is what we have done from the day one. We have that kind of system that you can pattern. We never got this chance in our time. We either sports or studies. But now my students are learning Kathak, they are learning Bharatnatyam, they are learning vocal music, they are also learning fine arts, fashion, clay modeling, anything they want, anything where your passion lies, we have for you, along with main course of profession, what you want to do for your livelihood, for your life. So this is Royal Global University. I just given you a cursor of that, and then I want you to, mesmerize my student today with your deliberation and some music from my side. Over to you, Ghost Madam.
Thank you very much, sir, for your words of inspiration. Your address to the students has definitely channelized and motivated them at this crucial juncture of their career. As the invited speaker for the current session, we are greatly honored to have amongst us a very reputed and committed conservation professional belonging to the coveted Indian Forest Service, a specialized cadre created in the Indian government for the conservation of forests and wildlife within the country. And he will be illuminating us on the topic environment, music, and mind. I'm hereby absolutely delighted to introduce before you the speaker and resource person for today's session, Mr. Sujoy Banerjee, currently posted as Chief Conservator of Forests Wildlife in Gonda, Uttar Pradesh. Mr. Banerjee has more than 2.5 decades experience in the field of conservation and 360-degree work expertise in various senior positions of different sectors of government, corporate, research and academics, and international non-profit organizations. He has worked within the Government of India, both state and federal, inclusive of 3 years in a World Bank-funded forestry project for the state of Uttar Pradesh, WWF India, an international non-profit organization working in the field of conservation, Ballarpur Industries Limited, a multinational company, and in the Indian Institute of Forest Management, Bhopal, a premier research and academic institute as a teaching faculty. He has been awarded the prestigious British Chevening Scholarship of Government of United Kingdom, the International Visitors Leadership Program of the Government of USA, and he has been conferred upon with the Royal Bank of Scotland Earth Heroes Award in the year 2014 for outstanding contribution in the field of wildlife and habitat conservation in National Chambal Wildlife Sanctuary. Out of 35 awardees chosen as a global change maker, he has been chosen worldwide amongst over 50,000 Chevening Scholarship awardees by the Foreign and Commonwealth Office of the Government of UK in the year 2019. Sir, we are highly honored to have you with us today, And I, on behalf of the entire family of Royal Global University, extend a hearty welcome to you. May I now request you, sir, to kindly deliver your talk for the session. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much. I hope I am audible. Am I audible?
Yes, you are. You are.
So these are very difficult times, and it feels very strange talking to people whom you cannot see. This, I assure you, from my side, is an experience in itself. I've been doing it, but when I click on the participant list, I can see some 400 participants, and I am just imagining in my mind how fun it would have been if I were actually addressing you in an auditorium. It would have been so lively. It would have been so much fun. Now, coming to the talk that I want to give you, all I can do is to tell you how to enjoy life and how to achieve as well. I mean, you have to do both in life, otherwise, you leave one part out. You're either enjoying or either you are like after achieving something, and in the end, you realize that आपने life में achieve तो कर लिया है, but then you miss the fun part of it. So basically, I'll be telling you about how my life went about it. I'm actually no role model by any stretch of imagination, but I will tell you about how I went about in my life, how I did my career planning and things like that, and also will try to take out some takeaways for you people, or maybe some points to think upon as to how we went about. आपके वाइस चांसलर साहब संजय प्रताप सिंह जी हमारे एस्टीम सीनियर रहे हैं इन द लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी. And in Lucknow University, we have lots of departments. It's a very large university, and there are lots of students studying. Say, for example, like I studied 3 subjects in my graduation: geology, botany, and zoology. But our geology department is a close-knit family kind of a thing, and people largely know each other. We have very good interaction. So much so that just 2 days ago, I was in Lucknow on Friday, and I actually went to the geology department to see my teachers, and I dropped by into the museum to refresh my knowledge of geology. Anyway, so coming back to it, is the education standard was good, as your professor SP Singh just told you. But other than that, we had a lot of extracurricular activities there. We used to have uh, a group called our departmental group was called Haley. See your vice chancellor is smiling so very broadly, because I'm sure it brings a lot of old memories back to him and to me as well. And कोई ऐसा ऑडिटोरियम लखनऊ में बचा नहीं है, या कोई ऐसा वेन्यू बचा नहीं जहां पर परफॉर्म किया हो. And we were so very keen to perform कि ठीक है एग्जाम है या नहीं है, because different like your colleges would have different schedules, but like whether पढ़ाई का प्रेशर है कि नहीं, किसी और चीज का प्रेशर है कि नहीं, but this is something जो करना है वो करना है, अपने को परफॉर्म करना है तो करना है. So this is one thing that I want to tell you. Maybe some of you can ponder upon it. जो आप लोगों में से खासकर कोई स्पोर्ट्स खेलते हैं, हम बहुत ज्यादा क्रिकेट खेलते थे, फुटबॉल खेलते थे, और वंस अगेन कोई ऐसा स्टेडियम नहीं बचा है लखनऊ का जहां पे हमने क्रिकेट या फुटबॉल नहीं खेला है. तो द वन दैट आई वांट टू से यू, वी कैन नॉट हैव एन इंटरैक्टिव सेशन. दिस इज like I'm sorry about that. I wish like I could have heard you speaking, or I could have heard some of you say about it, but I am sure there are like a lot of talent among you. Almost, I mean, every one of you is very talented, but some are more talented in some fields, some are more talented in some other field. So I'm sure there are musicians, there are players, there are athletes, there are painters, there are dancers. So I just wanted to ask you, or at least, I mean, there is no way for you to respond back. I don't know if it has a chat. Does this have a chat function? If there's a chat function, then maybe some of you could actually write.
Yes.
Tell
we
me,
have
I mean,
yes, yes. We can
but
chat.
I can't see the chat function here on my screen. I don't know. Anyway, but I mean, tell me, suppose when you go to play a match, a cricket match or a football match, or suppose when you are performing a dance or a song, is don't you give your 100%? I mean, don't you give your best? You obviously do. आप अपना बेस्ट देते हो, तो ठीक उसी प्रकार से मतलब when I mean maybe when you also start, when your hair start getting a little bit white, and like when you have aged and your children are as old, like as old as you, then you start realizing कि ये जो है uh, it is not just about giving 100% in something that you like. It is about giving your 100% in everything that you do. देयरफॉर अगर कोई आपको काम किसी ने कहा है और जो कि आपको पसंद नहीं है, जो फुटबॉल, क्रिकेट, म्यूजिक और आपका एनी अदर थिंग दैट यू एंजॉयड भी पेंटिंग नहीं है, तो देन वी फील करे यार हम कहाँ फंस गए, तो करना पड़ेगा काम। एंड स्पेशली जब हम लोग नौकरी में आते हैं तो हम लोग को ये पर्टिकुलर चीज में लगता है अरे यार ठीक है, काम ही करके तो देना है। और ट्रस्ट मी, आई एम वर्किंग इन द गवर्नमेंट, एंड द गवर्नमेंट यू कैन, आई मीन इवन इफ यू डू अ वेरी मीडियोकर वर्क, वो चलता है, वो चलता है। But I mean, trust me, and I'm saying this after quite a few years of experience that जो आप काम करते हो वो आप अपने सेटिस्फैक्शन के लिए करते हैं। आप चाहे कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट बना रहे हैं, आप कोई प्रपोजल बना रहे हैं, लाइक once you qualify, graduate from here and like do your finish your studies, your higher studies, and then get into jobs, then you will start realizing this particular thing. इसकी आप लोगों को जो है, इफ यू स्टार्ट गिविंग 100% और आई मीन एज मच एज यू कैन, इट इज फॉर योर ओन सेटिस्फैक्शन। द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट यू हैव टू लर्न इज नॉट टू लुक फॉर एप्रिसिएशन। इज आप अगर म्यूजिक कर रहे हैं, आप चाहे आप गेम खेल रहे हैं, आप चाहे कोई भी चीज कर रहे हैं, आपको सबसे पहले अपने लिए करना है। सबसे पहले आपको खुद उससे जो है खुश होना है, आपको उससे खुशी मतलब जो है हासिल करनी है। अगर आप क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं और आप हाफ सेंचुरी बना रहे हैं, इट इज योर पर्सनल गोल इवेंचुअली, वो तो है ही है। यू आर प्लेइंग फॉर अ टीम दैट इज गुड इनफ, लेकिन बट यू आर नॉट प्लेइंग टू अ क्राउड, यू आर बेसिकली ट्राइंग टू गिव योर बेस्ट एंड फॉर योर ओन सेटिस्फैक्शन। ठीक उसी तरीके से जब आप ऑफिस में अपना काम करेंगे और आप अपना अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस देंगे या वट एवर, when you put in some effort, I mean promise me, it shows even in the government sector. Private sector में तो it is very highly appreciated if you do well, and if you are a good person, then like people value it, people treasure it. But even in the government sector, if you are working hard or if you are giving your own 100%, then people know it, people acknowledge it, people know it, that you are a good officer, you are a good person, you are a good employee, and that you are going to uh, give your 100%, and people always respect it, people always treasure it. So I'm digressing here, and uh, I discussed it with your vice chancellor, Professor SP Singh, as to how we go about it, because there is supposed to be some music in it. There is supposed to be like the thing says music and a monologue. It's a monologue. It becomes very boring. I do not know how many people, how many of you are actually lying down or sleeping, because जब भी हमारे बच्चे जो है वो लाइव क्लासेस अटेंड करते हैं तो वो लेट जाते हैं, आराम से लेट करके क्लासेस करते हैं, एंजॉय करते हैं लेट करके। एनीवे, so I mean let me wake you up, and as ma'am said, music is a very very powerful medium.
এক বাগৰি যাবি নহয় এটা স্বৰ মাৰিম বাগৰি যাবি তিনদিন
Okay, let me unmute myself. Yeah. So, music is a very powerful medium. It's a very powerful medium of communication. And what I'll do is I'll play you some one or two songs on the way. And let me start with an English song. And this song is about how the indigenous communities, the local communities who are staying in forest or near to the forest, how they are saving wildlife. This particular song was composed for the World Bank, the UNDP, and the Ministry of Environment and Forest and Climate Change. And this particular song has got some very lovely videos in it. And these are by very good photographs, in fact, by some very leading photographers of the country. I'll play that song, but I mean, can you please allow me to share, ma'am? Can you please allow me to share my screen?
Done, sir. Done, sir.
One sec. Share. Shall I share screen or application?
So if you want to play some applications, then you share on the applications.
Yeah, okay, I got it. Chrome tab, I got it. Just let me know if you can you hear my voice and I mean, see if you can hear the music.
We can hear your voice, Sujoy, but not the music.
This is a problem that is I think I'm facing. There is no music in this. Hold on. I mean, let me see how I can.
Fix it up.
Yeah.
Vijay,
Can somebody?
Yes, sir.
I think if
Does someone know?
yeah, Sujay will share the video. Is it possible to listen to the music and video both?
Yes, sir. Sir, if you want share with the multimedia option.
How do I share the multimedia option? It says share your entire screen application window Chrome tab.
No, sir. There is up at the top. There is a file edit, and there's at the side share button where you can click on share multimedia option, sir.
Yeah, but the share option is not working in either. Like, let me see. Okay, yeah, it's a but just yeah. Now I'll try and play sharing this. Can you hear now? Can you hear now?
No, sir, the music is not available, sir. Only we can hear your voice, sir.
Okay. Okay, then what I can do is if I can share the link with you, or I mean, if you are on YouTube, can you please search for Saving the Wilds, WILDS, and then play the video? Can some of you do that?
Yes, Vijay.
Sir, give me some time. I will do that, sir. Yeah.
Yes, so just take 1-2 minutes and between.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. In the
Save
meanwhile,
the-
I can
save-
continue with
Yeah.
my chat, but with my talk. But like, I mean, I'm unable to see any chat window here. I mean, how is the chat window seen here?
So actually, due to some security reason, I was disabled the chat window. I will be opened for a short while, sir.
Okay. It will
Yeah.
be good to, get feedback, or at least because if we cannot have interaction on a one-on-one basis, I can at least look at the chat
Okay.
and see. And
Okay, sir.
कौन क्या बोल रहा है, because I'm sure the students would have a lot to say. So
Sir,
coming
give me
back to,
some time. I will do that.
yeah, so coming back to the story, to my story, after doing my graduation, even before my graduation, before I joined the university, then my father asked कि आप क्या करना चाहते हो लाइफ में, आप डॉक्टर बनो कि इंजीनियर बनोगे, because that is the only options that we had when we finished 12th at that point of time. तो जो भी अच्छे बच्चे होते थे वो डॉक्टर बन जाते थे या इंजीनियर बन जाते थे, डिपेंडिंग ऑन देयर प्रेफरेंस, और जो बच्चे जो पढ़ाई में अच्छे नहीं होते थे या जो निकल नहीं पाते थे, आई एम सॉरी टू से दैट, वो जो है आगे यूनिवर्सिटी की पढ़ाई करते थे. बट आई टोल्ड माय फादर आई डोंट वांट टू बी एन इंजीनियर, आई डोंट वांट टू बी अ डॉक्टर. So I actually went into graduation and did my graduation in my BSc, and after that my father, अच्छा भैया BSc हो गया, अब क्या करोगे? Now that was $1 million question, because at that point of time I had not thought about it. So that is one lesson that you have to learn, all of you, is कि आप लाइफ में क्या करना चाहते हो, ये थोड़ा सा क्लैरिटी आपको लाइफ में शायद रखना पड़ेगा. एंड आई मीन हमारा समय थोड़ा शायद अलग था, या वट एवर, आई हैव बीन लकी वट एवर, लेकिन it is always good to choose a career path right from the very beginning, because once you have your career goal, it will be easier for you to keep an eye on it and then achieve it. So that way, my career goal was at that point of time to join the army, because my father was in the army, and I was very impressed, with the army lifestyle, and I mean that is, something that I wanted very desperately, very dearly, and I qualified the SSB, that's called Service Selection Board, in the first attempt. तो यूजुअली जो लोग एग्जाम लिखते हैं वो क्वालिफाई हो ही जाते हैं. एसएसबी का रिटन एग्जाम बहुत आसान होता है, बट क्लियरिंग द एसएसबी is very difficult. Only, like, very handful of people get selected. So I was lucky enough to have been selected in the service selection board, and I eventually got a permanent rejection because of my eyesight. So now, I mean, imagine like somebody like me who had actually a life goal of joining the army as a commissioned officer, and all of a sudden like you are told कि अब आप साहब जो है आपका ये लाइफ का ऑप्शन खत्म हो गया, दिस ऑप्शन डजंट एग्जिस्ट एनीमोर. So now this is a great setback sometimes in life, but I mean the thing that I will say to you is to actually accept things as they come. अगर कोई चीज नहीं हो पाती है तो वो नहीं हो पाएगी. आपको एक्सेप्ट इवेंचुअली करना ही पड़ेगा, ठीक है. आपको एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा, वेदर यू लाइक इट और वेदर यू डोंट लाइक इट. आप जो है अच्छे से एक्सेप्ट करो, आप उसको ओपन हार्टेडली एक्सेप्ट करो, या क्रिप कर करके करो और यू फील मिजरेबल ऑल द टाइम, यार मैं तो ये बनना चाहता था लेकिन मैं नहीं बन पाया. ये ऑप्शन ये आपके ऊपर है. आई आई हैव अनदर क्लासमेट हु वाज इवन मोर डेस्परेट टू गेट इनटू द आर्मी. he cleared the written for 3 consecutive times, but all the 3 times he could not clear SSB. तो वो वर्चुअली जो है वो मतलब मुझको तो ऐसा लगता था कहीं ना कहीं वो हिल गया है अंदर से, और वो मतलब पूरा पूरा आर्मी के गेटअप में ही रहता था, आर्मी वालों की तरह ही बातें करता था, हर बाल भी वैसे कटाता था, व्हाटएवर. मैं भी करता हूँ, मैं मतलब या आई स्टिल एम लाइक is when I wear some camouflage. हमारे line of work maybe we use camouflage. A lot of people mistake me, or even if अगर हम I'm still fit, I'm very proud of it, I'm still very fit कि अगर हम train में चलते हैं तो a lot of people mistake me for an army personnel, and whenever they mistake me I feel very proud of it कि चलो यार army में नहीं जा पाए तो कम से कम लोग तो समझते हैं कि army वाले हैं. तो anyway, so that's what I said कि आप लोगों को accept करना ही पड़ेगा, ठीक है. अगर जो है आप अगर एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हो तो अच्छी बात है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट ऑन आप लोगों का सपना है कि हम जो है आईएएस बनेंगे, हम या तो आईएम अहमदाबाद में पढ़ेंगे, तो देन अगर आप अचीव कर लेते हैं, नथिंग लाइक इट, एंड वन शुड वर्क वेरी हार्ड टू अचीव इट. आई एम सेइंग आई विल कम टू दैट पार्ट इन सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. But if you're not able to achieve it, then you should be able to accept your failures. ठीक है? Yeah, everybody fails in life. Everybody fails in life. Even the best of the person that you can think of has failed or is failing. Like we are continuously failing in some way or the other. You people are also like must be. आपको लगता है हम ये करना चाहते थे नहीं कर पाए. आज हमने मैच खेला तो मैं एक भी गोल नहीं मार पाया. आज मैं क्रिकेट खेलने गया 2 रन पे ही आउट हो गया. We are failing all the time, and day to day basis पे हम लोग फेल हो रहे हैं. तो then you have to learn to accept your failures. That is a very very big thing. अगर आप आसानी से हार को एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हो तो आप you won't feel bad about it. Otherwise आप मैच हार के जाओगे, आप कई दिन तक परेशान रहोगे, अरे हम मैच हार गए. तो that is one thing that I must tell all of you. Anyway, coming back to my story.
Sorry to interrupt you, sir. Could you please tell the name of the YouTube channel, actually, whatever needs to be played?
I'll write it here. Can you see the chat window?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The chat window is open.
If you that is one video that I wanted you to play. If you can, you just search out on YouTube by this name. You will get the video.
So, what is the name? Could you please repeat?
Saving the Wilds.
Saving the Wilds. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so then as Professor S.P. Singh just told, I thought I had some talent inside me in music. At that point of time in my university days, I was composing some music as well. And as I said earlier, कि कोई भी स्टेज नहीं छोड़ा था हमने लखनऊ में परफॉर्म करने के लिए. तो उन दिनों रिकॉर्डिंग वाज नॉट एज इजी एंड सिंपल एज इट इज नाउअडेज कि अब आप for example, I have a home studio. It wasn't in those days. You had to actually hit a studio. I used to play guitar professionally for these जो आपके light music जो होता है हिंदी के, and I used to play it like as a student. I used to earn some money by playing music, and after that my first break actually came in the year. Oh, I'm sorry, I missed that part. I'll come to this part again. Anyway, so after doing I did not get in the army. I can see some questions. I can say I could not clear NEET this year, and your speech motivated me not to give up. Thanks a lot. Yeah, please don't give up. I shall be extremely happy. And please take my number and or my email address, and once you clear it, you please let me know. I will be very happy to hear it. Okay, you are Ashish, right? So after that, I did my I after finishing my graduation, I joined my MSc. Yes, that's the video. I joined MSc in geology, but while doing my preparation, while studying in MSc one, I actually started taking coaching for MBA, for qualifying MBA. And 1991 was the year that was very lucky for me. I got it into the army. और मैं जहां पर भी जो है एंट्रेंस एग्जाम लिखता था, लार्जली मेरा हो जाता था MBA का. तो आई वॉज वेरी वेरी क्या बोले, जुनून था मेरा ये फॉरेस्ट वाइल्ड लाइफ से बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट था. सो वन ऑफ द एग्जाम्स दैट आई हैड अपीयर्ड वाज फॉर द पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट डिप्लोमा इन फॉरेस्ट्री मैनेजमेंट. दिस वाज फ्रॉम इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ फॉरेस्ट मैनेजमेंट भोपाल, and I got selected for that, and that also came with a scholarship. तो मतलब फीस नहीं देनी है, पढ़ने के स्कॉलरशिप मिलते हैं और इंटरेस्ट की बात है. तो then I mean that was quite a thing that I took up the offer, left everything else, and I went and studied forest management in Bhopal. Even after I had completed a year of MSc, एक साल हमने MSc कर लिया था, but I left MSc in geology midway. I went and joined the postgraduate diploma in forestry management. And this is where like the music journey took off from here. हमने in the meanwhile, when I came to Lucknow during holidays, I actually made a demo tape. So मैं cassette tape होता है, I'm sure some of you might have seen it, some of you might not have seen. Cassette tape होता था. So yeah, okay, we can have the video. I'm happy to see Ayanav Das music do rap. Please share your music. Great. I can learn something from you. Oh, that's so nice of you. Yeah, please play the music. There is no music in it.
No music again. Vijay, there's no music. The same problem Sujay was facing, you're also facing the same problem.
Yes, sir.
I can play the music from my speaker. Vijay?
What we do is we leave it here.
Give me 1 minute, sir. Give me one minute.
We leave it here. Let it. वो मजा नहीं आ रहा है. वो उसका मजा तो उसी में आएगा. Anyway.
I know. It should be shared only.
Yes.
Yes.
So now, I mean, I'm telling you this particular count not to show how big a musician I am or how talented I am, but see how circumstances were. देखिए circumstances जो होता है ना, बहुत बड़ी चीज होता है, बहुत बड़ी चीज होता है. Anyway, I was talking about the demo tape. I made a demo tape of a few of my songs. They were in like rock songs, अंग्रेजी के गाने थे, and I sent it out to a company called Venus Music. I'm sure you would have heard of it. It's a very big name in the music industry now. But at that point of time, this was in 1992 when I sent the tape. It was relatively unknown. So I had sent this tape, and they called me in October 1992 for an audition. ठीक है. Now I am studying in Bhopal. हम स्टूडेंट होते थे, हमारे पास बहुत पैसे नहीं होते थे, तो जाने के लिए पढ़ाई है. And I mean, once some of you will actually go and start studying like business management and things like that, then you will realize that हमारा पढ़ाई बहुत प्रेशर वाला होता है, बहुत भी प्रेशर का होता है. It's very difficult to find time and go. But anyway, after I finished my my course in 1993, the first thing that I do was to take an appointment from Venus Cassette and go and meet the owner, the proprietor. He's a very big now. His name is Champak Jain of Venus Cassette. Now, what happened is in December there was a film called Khiladi by Akshay Kumar. Venus Cassettes ने उसका म्यूजिक दिया और वो फिल्म बहुत हिट हो गया. And Venus Cassettes made a lot of money out of it. Now, when I went and saw this gentleman Champak Jain in March in his Juhu office in Bombay, the first thing that he asked me is that there will be a lot of investment in recording and releasing an English album. He was asking if I can write a song in Hindi, if I can make a video in Hindi. But at that particular point of time, I thought that like, my music was so good that like if Venus Cassettes was not buying it, then somebody else will certainly buy it. So I politely declined. I told him I'll come back to him. I did not go back to him again, of course. But the fact is, see, देखो आप हमारे लाइफ में अपॉर्चुनिटीज आती है और हम लोग ऐसे अननोइंगली और अनविटिंगली हम चीजों को छोड़ देते हैं. बट इन दी एंड आप अगर इस चीज को सोचोगे और आप मतलब आफ्टर सो मेनी इयर्स आई पॉन्डर ओवर दिस एंड आई आस्क माई सेल्फ इफ आई हैव मेड अ मिस्टेक, डिड आई मेक अ मिस्टेक दैट डे? नो, आई डिड नॉट मेक अ मिस्टेक दैट डे. अगर हम मान लो कि वो हम लाइफ चुन लेते हैं, अगर वो हमारा डेस्टिनी होता, then I would have said yes, and maybe I would also have been a struggling musician in Bombay, or I would have made it big. And I mean, trust me, I have seen people in Bombay. They're very talented, very very talented people. They're कोई waiter की तरह काम कर रहा है, कोई बार में गाना गा रहा है, because they did not make it big. Only 1% or even like a lesser number of percentage of those persons who are really talented and trying to make a name actually make a name. Others, they actually slide into oblivion. So anyway, but I did not give up my music even then, or after that, after working for a year in an industry called the Ballarpur industry. It's a very big industry. There was a paper mill. I got a lecturership back in my alma mater, is IIFM Bhopal, and I joined back. So the first thing that I did was to make a group there. So we made a rock group, possibly one of the first rock groups, or possibly the first rock group of Bhopal. And we did pretty well. We performed at a lot of places. We performed in the Bhopal Utsav. But our big break came when we were among the 24 bands that was selected to play in a Philips Live Wire show in Mumbai. And that was the year 95 or 96. But that was also the time when I was featured in the Rock Street Journal magazine. आप लोग में से कोई Rock Street Journal magazine पढ़ता है क्या? हाँ, आप लोग कोई पढ़ते हैं Rock Street Journal? Anyway, I'm seeing a comment from Arman which says एक
Hopefully, you know me. Oh, me, but I got check you, baby.
I personally feel this is a very negative way of looking at. जब आप कोई ऐसी बात कहते हो तो आप अपने आप को डीमीन कर रहे हो. आप देखो, मरना तो सबको ही है, और मतलब ये तो जो जन्म लिया जिसने वो तो मरेगा ही मरेगा. बट एट द सेम टाइम मतलब जो है, आई डोंट थिंक पीपल से लाइक दिस कि कोई मतलब आप कुत्ते की मौत मरोगे तो कोई कहेगा कि मर गया इवेंचुअली. अगर आपके कोई और रीजन है फ्रस्ट्रेशन के, देन आई डोंट नो. एनीवे, in large of it, I mean, if you keep a positive outlook in life, and that is what I'm telling you from my story. ठीक है, there are more failures than success in my. अगर आप मैं अपनी लाइफ की कहानी आपको बता रहा हूँ, मैं रियलाइज कर रहा हूँ कि इसमें तो ज्यादा फेलियर्स है, सक्सेसेस कम है. एनीवे, तो आफ्टर दैट हमने वहां पे फिलिप्स लाइव वायर शो में परफॉर्म किया. And after like I got down from the stage, there were 4 bands who qualified into the finals out of these 24. We did not make it to the finals, but as soon as I got down from the stage, there are a lot of people who actually approached me to come and start making music with them. They told me there is a lot of money. They asked me how, भाई आप तू कितने पैसे कमाता है लेक्चर मतलब जो पढ़ा करके तू कितने पैसे कमाता? This is exactly one person asked me. He says you will earn 5 times of what you are earning now to come to Bombay and you start a career from it. But even at that point of time, I really thought, nahi yaar, I have got a good job and I can always keep music as my as my hobby, as my this thing, and something for enjoyment and not as a full-time profession. After working there for 3 years, I wrote the Indian Forest Service exam. As I told you, I was very fascinated by forest and wildlife. And being a lecturer, I saw कि आप research तो करते हो, लेकिन आपकी सुनता कोई नहीं है. I wanted to have a go at the service. I appeared for the first time. एक ही बार मैंने एग्जाम दिया, वो भी बिना कोई कोचिंग वगैरह करके. तो and I'm lucky, I would say, but I stood first in the All India examination of the Indian Forest Service. I got first rank in the UPSC, and after that I joined the Indian Forest Service very happily because this is something that I wanted to do. And even today, I mean, I always feel that I have gained hell of a lot from this job, not just in terms of respect or like, or in terms of saying कि अच्छा ठीक है आप एक अच्छे अधिकारी हैं बड़े अधिकारी whatever. I mean, these are things which don't impress me much, but I have really learned lots and lots and lots and lots from working in the field. And I am sure कि if at some point of time I wanted to quit the Indian Forest Service and take up some other assignment, then it would greatly help me. All this experience that I have, I worked in uh, different organizations. Now, the story doesn't end here. I hope I'm not boring you or anything. But my wife, she is also faculty in IAF in Bhopal, and after we got married, I mean, she had also joined a month after I joined, so we were destined to be together. So eventually, she became my wife. So we all joined as lecturers at that point of time. Because of family reasons, I moved on deputation to Bhopal. So जब हम वहाँ भोपाल में पहुंचे, then there was this post of Director Species Conservation advertised by an NGO. It's an international NGO called WWF. आप लोग ने शायद सुना भी होगा. तो बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा था कि ठीक है, ये जो है एक नौकरी है, हम ट्राई कर सकते हैं, हम देखते हैं. उसमें प्रॉब्लम सिर्फ इतना ही था कि हमारे जो प्रेडेसेसर थे, द पर्सन हु वाज टू बी रिप्लेस्ड, ही रिटायर्ड एज द हाईएस्ट लेवल इन द फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट, PCCF. आप लोग ने प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर का नाम सुना होगा. प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर, नाउ इट्स कॉल्ड नेशनल टाइगर कंजर्वेशन अथॉरिटी. प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर इज अ काइंड ऑफ डायरेक्टरेट इन दिल्ली. ही वाज हेडिंग दैट प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर फॉर गुड लॉन्ग इयर्स, एंड ही इज अ वेरी वेरी रिनाउंड पर्सन. अब मैं उस समय आई हार्डली 35 years old, not much experience in life. So when I applied, I got a call for an interview, for the first round of interview, and they were paying the airfare and all. So my wife said कि अच्छा वहां जा रहे हो तो अभी, my son was supposed to come at that point of time. My wife was expecting. तो my wife said कि ठीक है, जा रहे हो, होना होना तो है नहीं, और अब जा रहे हो तो बच्चे के लिए एक पैराबुलेटर खरीद करके लेना, दिल्ली में अच्छे मिलते हैं. So after the interview, I actually went to a market and bought a good parabolator and like felt very content कि ठीक है साहब, इंटरव्यू में तो नहीं हुआ, लेकिन चलो इसी बहाने बच्चे का पैराबुलेटर आ गया दिल्ली से. अदरवाइज नहीं आता ना बच्चे का पैराबुलेटर. So, but then I was called for a second round of interview, and much to my utter surprise and happiness, I was chosen against candidates who were very qualified, were very like senior officers, or like they were doing very well in their field. But I was picked up among 6 other people. Total 6 had been shortlisted, but I was picked up despite others having much better qualifications or much better background or more experience, should I say. So this is another point that you can think of. ये मत समझना कि आप लोग हम लोग खुद ही अपने आप अंडररेट कर लेते हैं. हमारा तो नहीं होगा जी, हम इंटरव्यू में अपीयर होंगे. और मतलब ये मेरे साथ लाइफ में पहले भी हो चुका है, एक बार और हो चुका है. एट द टाइम ऑफ, एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ वेस्टिंग योर टाइम, मैं आपको ये किस्सा बता दे रहा हूँ कि जिस समय आई टोल्ड यू 91 वाज माय वेरी वेरी गुड ईयर, मेरा बहुत ही अच्छा मतलब जो है साल था, और मैं जहां पर भी देता था वहां पर मेरा हो जाता था. तो देयर वाज अ पोस्ट ऑफ was called assistant central intelligence officer in the IB, in information in the IB, ठीक है, investigation bureau, whatever it's called. So IB, as you know, is an agency like RAW. It's a very खुफिया टाइप की एजेंसी है. तो उसमें जब मेरा सिलेक्शन हुआ, there were 168 people who had come to give appear for their interview. और जब मैं वहां पर पहुंचा था, तब वो लोग तो ऐसे ऐसे चीजें डिस्कस कर रहे थे करंट अफेयर टाइप की, मैंने तो सुने ही नहीं थे. तो हमने तो उसी पॉइंट पर मान लिया था कि हमारा होगा ही नहीं. तो हम जब इंटरव्यू देने गए थे तो वो सवाल भी ऐसे ही पूछे थे, मुझे लग रहा था कि टाइम पास कर रहे हैं. हम जवाब भी उनको जो है उसी हिसाब से अर्नेस्टली दे रहे थे कि चलो ठीक है यार, अपनी तरफ से जो भी जवाब सही गलत जो बने बनते देंगे. एंड आई वाज अमंग द 2 people who were selected. So coming back to WWF, I worked there for about 2.5 years. 2.5 years is actually a very short time for to work in an organization, but I am telling you this thing कि आज भी मैं वहां पर जब WWF में जाता हूँ, So my boss, the secretary general and CEO, he gives me so much respect. कोई भी काम कर रहे हो, you just call him कि मैं तो सब, I'm in Delhi, I want to come over, and he would leave all work and meet you and give you all time that you want. And even today, मतलब WWF छोड़े हुए 11 साल हो गए हैं, पर when I walk those corridors, I don't feel that I am not a part of WWF. So whatever organization you work for, once you pass out from there, आप अगर उसको मन से आप उसको स्वीकार करोगे, आपको काम करने में अच्छा लगेगा, as long as you work, whether you work for 2 months, whether you work for a year or 2 years, 3 years, and people will also remember you for your good. So that is the thing that I told you before, कि आप जो है, आपको अगर आप अपना 100% देते हो, बेसिकली आप अपने सेटिस्फैक्शन के लिए देते हो, पर लोग आपको रियलाइज करते हैं. आई एम वेरी गुड टू हैप्पी टू सी सम ऑफ यू आर सेइंग दैट लाइक म्यूजिक, you're all very happy to see music and things like that. So the other thing that I want to tell you is there is no shortcut to hard work. Success you cannot get without hard work. इवन आप लोग में से जो लोग हैं हु आर लकी इनफ कि आप लोग के माँ बाप बहुत वेल ऑफ हैं, आप लोग के अपने बिजनेसेस हैं या इतने कॉन्टैक्ट्स हैं कि वो आपको कहीं ना कहीं प्लेस करवा देंगे. बट ट्रस्ट मी, आपको प्लेस तो करवा देंगे, या अगर आप उनका बिजनेस भी ज्वाइन करते हो तो जब तक आपके फादर सुपरवाइज कर रहे हैं तब तक तो आप ठीक से करेगा, बट इवेंचुअली आप रियलाइज करोगे कि आप अपने आप से मेहनत कर रहे हो वंस यू स्टार्ट टेकिंग इंटरेस्ट. एंड जो लोग, जैसे आप लोग खेलते हैं या म्यूजिक करते हैं या डांस करते हैं या पेंटिंग करते हैं, तो ये चीज तो आप लोग जानते ही हैं कि जब तक आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे, या अगर आप एथलीट हैं तो जब तक आप फिजिकली रोज एक्सरसाइज नहीं करेंगे, आप बॉडी बिल्डर हैं तो आप जिम नहीं जाएंगे, तब तक जो है वो आपको सक्सेस नहीं मिलेगा. एंड इन बॉडी बिल्डिंग, इन स्पोर्ट्स, यू हैव स्टेरॉइड्स, यू हैव परफॉर्मेंस एनहांसिंग ड्रग्स, बट ट्रस्ट मी, हमारे लाइफ में ऐसी कोई चीज बनी नहीं आज तक. ठीक है, कोई आपको कोई शॉर्टकट रास्ता बता रहा है तो कहीं ना कहीं कोई गड़बड़ होगा. अगर आपको लाइक इफ यू वांट टू अर्न मनी फास्ट एंड यू वांट टू राइज अप इन लाइफ वेरी फास्ट, द ओनली वे इज टू डू 3-5. ठीक है, उसके अलावा कोई और तरीका है नहीं. सो आई वुड स्ट्रांगली एंड वेरी स्ट्रांगली एडवाइस यू ऑल टू मेंटेन हाई लेवल ऑफ एथिक्स एंड इंटेग्रिटी इन लाइफ. क्योंकि मतलब मैं गवर्नमेंट सर्विस में नौकरी कर रहा हूँ, एंड ट्रस्ट मी कि मैं आई एम द मोस्ट क्वालिफाइड पर्सन टू टेल यू दिस, कि आदमी का जमीर जब मरता है, ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज जमीर. जमीर इज कॉन्शियंस. ठीक है, आदमी का जमीर जो है वो सिर्फ एक ही बार मरता है. ठीक है, जब आप पहली बार आप घूस लोगे किसी से या कोई गलत काम करोगे, आपको तभी उस बार थोड़ा सा आपको पिंच करेगा कि यार मैंने कुछ गलत कर रहा हूँ, बट ट्रस्ट में उसके बाद से इट बिकम्स अ वे ऑफ लाइफ. all of you are like very bright people, all of you are such lovely people, and I would very much want this to convey कि मुझे नहीं पता आप लोग के मन में या दिल में मेरी बात कितने अंदर तक उतरे या न उतरे, बट कोई अनएथिकल काम करें तो जरूर से इस बात को एटलीस्ट याद रखें कि मैंने कभी बोला था कि देयर इज नो शॉर्टकट टू सक्सेस, एंड इफ यू ट्राइंग टू टेक अ शॉर्टकट, इट इज यू आर डूइंग समथिंग अनएथिकल. आप अनोइंगली किसी न किसी को हर्ट कर रहे हो, किसी न किसी का हक मार रहे हो, कोई ना कोई तरीके से आप कुछ गलत काम कर रहे हैं. So since you are not able to play the music, then I think we have had a long session, and if you are able to play the music, then I can hold on for a few more minutes, but in case not, then I'll write my YouTube channel here, because you can listen to a lot of covers as well. I do some covers and originals also. So can we play the song? Can you please check that?
Vijay Kalita, can we play the?
Sir, I will try, sir. Give me 1 minute, sir.
Okay, I'll try one more time.
They have lived in the wild for ages, indigenous communities. There's a lot to learn from the land.
Yes, Dhanashri, music has a great healing power and also the power to make you happy when you're depressed. I've got a lot of potential. I agree with you.
Mutual respect is the key to survive. They have saved all these years, the pristine in my legacy.
Let's begin and thank you for
For the outside world to see.
For more information, you can visit our website or send me a word. And now we can begin together.
Together we can save lives. Together.
Thank you so much for your nice talk.
Shall we? Is it? अगर नहीं है, then maybe I mean, then maybe
Like the heart,
that is
which is
okay.
boundary
Then
and
I
lungs,
can
they
finish.
are also in motion. So can 3D printed cadaver mimic these situations?
Well, we have a function of patent issue like structure. We have some flexible versions which can perform some kind of structure. Currently, we just have versions and we have successfully printed the like models which can be flexible and which are more.
Yes, Ayanav, you can remix this song. What you can do is the song that I was trying to play was it's called Saving the Wild. So if you search, you will get the song. And there was another one I did for the government of Uttar Pradesh for saving the Ganga. This one is in Hindi. It's got quite a classical touch. And again, it's called Save the Ganga song. Let me give you the link. I think I have the link open. Wait. Am I audible to you? Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible, sir.
Okay, so the second link that I sent is about the Ganga song. It is in Save the Ganga song. If you want to listen to it in an 8D format, 8D is something like this. The song spins round and round all around you. So if you wanted to listen to this Ganga song in 8D, then you have to search maybe Save the Ganga song 8D, or maybe I'll just put the link here if you want. Just let me find. All you need to do is to search in Google is about Save the Ganga 8D song, that you'll get it. Yeah, please. Yeah.
I want that please tell mine, because we have many students in undergraduate program who are eligible to appear in Indian Forest Service examination. A little bit, if you want to, what is the can you motivate? Because I want them, many of them, to be the Forest Service officers in due course of time, if at all they try hard, like you, along with music.
Yes. So the basic requirement for joining the Indian Forest Service is a graduation in science discipline. So those of you who have science as a undergraduate subject, they can appear for the examination for the Indian Forest Service, and that is one. And other thing is the basic qualification is graduation. So graduation in any science discipline. So the job is very nice. Is if
Yes,
you are a photo.
They started Ganga song.
Okay. Is it audible? Because
It's audible to me. Yes.
Okay, it says because I have to open it in. I'm just downloading.
जब प्यासी धरती चीख रही थी, दामन उजड़ा खींच रही थी, आकार मचा सब और तपती माटी सूख रही थी, तब हिम के पर्वत से उतर कर धरती पे थी आई वो। लाती बल खाती दौड़ती समुंदर की गहराई बनके, बंजर धरती हरी हो गई, चारों ओर खुशहाली छाई, पशु पक्षी मानव जन की जीवन धारा बनके आई। गंगा को बचाना है, हरियाली बढ़ाना है, गंगा को बचाना है, खुशहाली जगाना है, बचाना है, गंगा को बचाना है, गंगा को बचाना है, गंगा को बचाना है। भरे भरे जब पेड़ कटे सब मिट्टी आ गई गंगा में, प्रदूषण का स्तर और बढ़ गया, मैली हो गई गंगा रे। इसी प्रदूषण को हटाकर फिर से स्वच्छ बनाना है, गंगा को बचाना है, आगे बढ़कर हाथ मिलाकर गंगा को बचाना है, गाँव और शहर शहर गंगा को बचाना है, गंगा को बचाना है, गंगा को बचाना है, गंगा को बचाना है। जीवनदायी गंगा ने हम सब पर यूं उपकार किया, अब आई अपनी बारी है, सब मिलकर सहयोग करें, पेड़ लगाएं सब मिलके, साथ चले सब साथ चले, गंगा हरित अभियान में हम भी कुछ योगदान करें।
Thank you. Over to Sujoy. You have to unmute Sujoy. You're not audible.
So please
Am I?
unmute
Yeah,
your
yeah,
mic.
okay, yeah. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir, yes.
Yeah, so I just came into the app or the program. Now I can hear, and also I think I should be able to share my screen in a better way. So that's it from my side. If there are any questions or anything that people want to ask, you can write on the chat screen. और आप बताएं जैसे कैसे करेंगे सर?
Moderator, maybe a few questions already noted down from the students. Are you?
Sir, in the chat box, not many questions are there. Already, sir has answered them previously, whatever questions were there. And I think this beautiful video and audio composition, this music composition from sir, the students have really enjoyed. And I think the content is also very meaningful.
Very good. But then, do you have few questions? Because we have Professor Rajput here, Professor KK Barua here. They all are there as they're very senior people. So they are attending this webinar. And they are stalwart in the field of physics and biological sciences. So, do you have any question, the host? Do you have questions?
Sir, I would only congratulate meeting lecture, and I'm sure the students should be benefited from your lecture and how you started the journey. That is really exciting. That you have changed one field to the other field, and finally you topped the Indian Forest Service. That is really exciting, and I think that our students should get this inspiration that our students should try for such type of competitive examination like Indian Forest Service. So, my dear students, you have heard Mr. Banerjee, and see how he has finally, from his ambition was to become an army officer, but for one or the other reasons, he of Indian Army, but he has joined ultimately Indian Forest Service, and he's contributing to the conservation of nature and contributing to the environment. That is what is very exciting. And I, being a professor in environmental science, I liked your lecture very much, sir, because through music and how you have गंगा को लिए आपने जो अभी गाना गाया है तो वो बहुत ही सुंदर है सर. इससे गंगा इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एनवायरमेंटल इशू नाउ टू कीप गंगा क्लीन. तो ये मैं आपको I congratulate you, and I would like to, I also request Honorable Vice Chancellor sir that we would like to be in contact with Mr. Banerjee as far as the conservation is concerned. When this pandemic situation will be over, I would be definitely glad to bring Banerjee to our university and give a lecture face to face to our students, which will be, I'm sure, will be benefited, much benefited. I am personally benefited a lot from your lecture, sir. Personally, I am benefited because how you started the journey and where you are now, that's a great thing, sir. Congratulations once again to you.
Thank you, Professor Barua. I think, Sujoy, we geologists are like this. First, we go to any mountain, we make our own roads. I always will say that, Professor Barua. ये geologist की खास बात है कि जहाँ भी भेज देंगे रास्ता बना लेंगे वो लोग. So our co-host is also a geologist today. Sujoy, I think it was really, I mean, I have heard both the first time, listen to both the songs, and you as usual. And I just want to remember something. When we were having this Halley's 1986, we formed this club called Halley's at the advent of Halley's Comet. And the name was a little different than not Halley, so Halley's. But then each and every event, when we used to go and participate and Sujoy used to sing a song, we always used to win that particular event. And I think we were champion in many, many events in Lucknow, almost all the events once upon a time in 1987 and 98. So this is the journey, and I think we learned many, many things what we are doing today during our student days, and especially in Department of Geology and with the help of Halley's. And Sujoy, I got selected into SSB finally. I got into Air Force and I got the appointment letter also, but I could not join because of other, career in my life. So you wanted to be a army officer. I never wanted to be, but I got selected. That is the way life is. So I changed the track from then. So this is the way life is. And I think it's very, very interesting journey so far. And Sujoy, I'm very proud that you have spoken so well today. And it was really motivating for me, for everyone, and especially to young minds. And I'm just watching chat box. They are giving very good comments for you. So over to you. Yeah.
Thank you very much, sir.
I would want to say one last word.
Sure, sir.
Yes, I changed course from going into the army to being a musician and to being into forest and wildlife. But in the end, this is I would want to say to all the students, see, life is a full circle. अब आप देखो मैं ऐसी जगह पर बैठा हुआ हूँ जहाँ पर कि मैं म्यूजिशियन भी हूँ. Is if you look at my Facebook profile, I don't write IFS anywhere because I would rather want to be recognized as a musician. And I am doing music professionally. I mean, not full time, simply because I do it only for my happiness, for my this thing. And very recently, I got a chance to compose a music for the government of United Kingdom for the British Evening Program. And this song was sung there was a choir of people from 10 different countries, actually. So if you look at evening song, I'm writing it to the text box. So evening song, this is and the other thing is जो गंगा वाला गाना है जो that you heard, उसमें गिटार के 5-6 layers हैं, 4 I can think of 4 layers हैं, सारे layers हमने खुद ही बनाए हैं. And then a lot of other songs, this Saving the Wilds में जितना भी गिटार के जितने भी layers हैं सब I have played myself, all of them. So I get huge happiness in doing this now. And I am also doing music for conservation, some of the videos that you have. But I wanted to end by playing a song for you. If I can play from my thing, otherwise I'll write the link here, which you must see. Now you see, हम लोग को ये लगता है somebody road की रोड पर पेड़ गिर जाता है. आपको मालूम है कि लोग जंगल बचाते हैं, ये हम लोग नेशनल पार्क्स सेंचुरीज में जाते हैं 2 दिन 3 दिन के लिए, फिर हम लोग कहते हैं जी टाइगर नहीं दिखा, जी हमको राइनो नहीं दिखा. आपको मालूम है लोग अपनी जान देते हैं. People are killed, people are actually killed. So I did a tribute song for them, for the heroes of the forest and wildlife. This unfortunately is not my original composition. This is from a film called Razi. And if ma'am can allow me to share my screen, then I will try and play this song from my screen. And you let me know if you can hear me now. I hope.
Sujoy, before you share your screen, can you live say, I will sing two lines and then share your screen?
Huh? Okay. Okay.
That would be fit. Yeah.
I'll sing a song from a singer called Papon or whatever he's called.
Oh yes, Papon. Yes.
Papon. Papon is from the northeast, I believe. I don't know, but I think he's somewhere from the northeast.
Very famous.
And and I mean, some of you are writing like you people sing, and you people are a guitarist. Please share your music with me. I mean, you can take my number from ma'am, and I'm sure you people can WhatsApp me or you can message me if you can take my email. I think that will be much better. आप मेरा email ले लीजिए. You can send me your song. I'll be happy to listen to your music. Yeah. So somebody writes Anurag Papon Moanta is from Assam. So I mean, what better song to sing now? Huh? Now there is a song called Moh Moh Ke Dhage. I don't know if you people have heard it. I'll sing it. Am I audible? Moh 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 Ke Dhage. Can I request people to mute their mic? Can I request people to mute their mic, please? ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे. ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे. कोई टोह टोह ना लागे, किस तरह गिरहा ये सुलझे. है रोम रोम एक तारा, है रोम रोम एक तारा जो बादलों में से गुजरे. ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे. कोई टोह टोह ना लागे, किस तरह गिरहा ये सुलझे. तू होगा बड़ा पागल, तूने मुझको है सुना. तू होगा बड़ा पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना. कैसे तूने अन कहा सब सुना. तू होगा बड़ा पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना. तू दिन सा है मैं रात आना, दोनों मिल जाए शामों की तरह. ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे. कोई टोह टोह ना लागे, किस तरह गिरहा ये सुलझे. By the way, I am not trained in music. I have not learned music at all from anyone nor guitaring. So I'm more like a self-taught person. जो भी सही गलत गाते हैं खुद के लिए गाते हैं. So it was a pleasure. Speaking to all of you. And as I say, I deeply regret I am not able to speak to you face to face. Otherwise, it would have been all the more fun talking to all of you. And I would like, after ma'am ends, I will play the last song and then we are done.
So you have really a melodious voice, and it was truly mesmerizing listening to you.
We will call you, sir. We will call you to our university.
Invitation is already extended. Anytime.
Happy to come. Yeah, we'll be happy. We'll be very happy.
Like you can share the music. Are you sharing a video?
Okay, now if I share, is now you can see here, and I did get some. Is the sound coming now? आवाज आ रहा है?
No, sir, the sound isn't coming. You are audible, but the sound in the video isn't coming.
I mean, can he was telling me, okay, he was asking when you share, select content to share web browser, share content. This is what he was saying, right?
Vijay, can you help?
Yes, sir.
You have to share content, right?
Share the content with your computer audio, sir.
I'm not getting that option. With where will that option come in the end towards the bottom? Is it?
No, at the share button. At the share button, there is an option, share with your computer audio, sir.
Optimize for motion and video is the share your computer audio.
Yes, sir. This one, if this one is coming, share the content, then there is a drop down, optimize, and this one. Click this, and after that you can share it.
Yeah. Okay. I mean, can you see if it's playing now? Are you getting the sound?
No,
No,
sir. Sir, give me the link. I will play, sir. I will.
Okay, oh,
Yeah.
Here
Sir,
it is. I'll
Yeah. Told me, sir.
just let me stop sharing. I mean, I just have to stop it and let me stop sharing. I mean, can you see the this thing? आप अपना ये chat window देखिए. I'm putting it there.
Yes, sir.
मैं भी रोज कुछ सीख रहा हूँ. Every day I am learning something on digital.
Give me some time. Give me 1 hour.
Could you get the link? आपको link मिला?
Yes, sir. Yes.
This is how we are actually patrolling in the night. ये actual उसका वो है.
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन ऐ वतन आबाद रहे तू आबाद रहे तू ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू ऐ वतन मेरे वतन ऐ
Excellent.
Really, sir, it was truly inspiring and such meaningful content is there. Sir, am I audible to you, sir?
Yeah, you're audible. You're audible. Just conclude. And I think we have taken more than enough time from Sujoy. And Sujoy, it was really a fantastic video at the end, and the sacrifice what each and every forest officer is doing in the field. What I say field or you say forest is something I think because of that only we're able to protect our wildlife. We are able to protect everything around us. And I think you are into great service. My best wishes to you, Sujoy. So over to
Thank
you,
you very
madam.
much.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for your thought-provoking and intriguing lecture. Your achievements are truly inspiring for all of us. And mostly, I think our students have definitely gained concrete ideas of dealing with various stressful situations of their life. You emphasize the fact that there are no shortcuts to hard work. If you want to attain success in life in any true sense, and I'm sure the students have noted down this fact. Your music composition mentions the forest has music for those who can listen. The students have surely realized the significance of maintaining a harmony with nature in order to remain calm and face the challenges of their life. Since I think the questions have been already answered by Sir, so I would move ahead with a formal vote of thanks. Otherwise, we could have gone on and on listening to his beautiful compositions, but we have the time constraint. So I think we'll move ahead with the formal vote of thanks. At the very outset, I would take this opportunity to offer sincere thanks and deep sense of gratitude to our speaker for today's session, Mr. Sujoy Banerjee. We all, especially our students, have immensely benefited from his resourceful and maneuvering lecture. He has delivered it in a very amiable manner. I'm quite certain his ideas and explanations will definitely help our students to hone their skills so that they can hunker and put in relentless efforts to achieve their goals, along with maintaining a close harmony with their inner self. I'm very grateful to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Sir Professor S.P. Singh, for his constant guidance, inspiration, and motivation. I also acknowledge and offer sincere thanks to the Chairperson Academics, Professor Alak Kumar Boragohai, the Registrar, respected Ms. Angira Mimani, Professor K.K. Borua Sir, Dean, Royal School of Environment and Earth Sciences, the senior professors and all esteemed colleagues for gracing this occasion, and all my dear students for their active participation in the program. I'm indebted to all the faculty members of the Royal School of Environment and Earth Sciences for their generous support and collective efforts in conducting this session of the orientation program. Thank you very much. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Sujoy. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, sir, Mr. Banerjee, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Have a good day, all of you.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Ma'am, when will the next session start?